In this video, we're going to have a look at how to calculate the scale factor of two objects. Now, the formula that we need to use to calculate scale factor is scale factor is equal to the image length divided by the original length. Now, a way to help you remember is you want the new shape or the length of the new shape divided by a length on the odd shape. So that's one way of helping you to remember that you need to divide one over the other. Now, when you're calculating scale factor, the first thing you need to write down in your working out is this formula. Scale factor equals image length over original length. Do not write a solution without first writing the formula. So now let's have a look at a couple of examples. In the first example, I want to calculate the scale factor of triangle CDE and triangle CAB. Now, to calculate the scale factor, I need a corresponding side on each triangle that I know the measurement of. So having a look, I know the measurement of side AB and the corresponding side on the smaller triangle is triangle DE. So because I know what the corresponding side is on both triangles, I can use that side to calculate the scale factor. So I start off by writing the formula. Scale factor equals image length divided by original length. And that is equal. So now I need to go ahead and substitute my values from the question into the formula. Now, when it hasn't been specified which one is the image and which one is the original, you can choose one and make that your image. So I'm going to choose the larger triangle to be my image length. So A equals AB divided by DE, which is equal to 8 divided by 2, which gives me an answer of 4. So the scale factor of triangle CDE and triangle CAB is equal to 4. So let's have a look at a second example. So in this example, I want to find the scale factor of triangle PAB and triangle PQR. So let's have a look and see if we can identify these triangles. So triangle PAB is that triangle there. Triangle PQR is the larger triangle. So PQR. So I need to find a side that I have the measurements for on both PAB and the corresponding side on PQR. So looking at the smaller triangle, PAB, I've got two measurements, AB and PB. Now, if you have a look at AB, the corresponding side is going to be QR. I don't know the measurement for QR, so I cannot use that side in calculating my scale factor. So let's have a look at the second side, and that side is PB, and that is equal to 4. So having a look and see when I've got a measurement for the corresponding side on the larger triangle, and the corresponding side is going to be PR. So from P all the way through to R. And although I don't have a measurement for PR, I do have a measurement for PB and BR. So if I add those two together, that will give me my measurement from P to R. So now that I've got my two corresponding sides and their measurements, I can go ahead and calculate the scale factor. And remember, the first thing you need to write down is the formula. So scale factor equals image length divided by original length. Again, because they haven't specified which is the image and which is the original, we can choose one to be the image, and I'm going to choose side PR. So PR divided by side PB, which is going to equal to 8 divided by 4, which is equal to 2. So the scale factor of triangle PAB and triangle PQR is equal to 2.